It's been nearly 3 years since the signing of a law formally recognizing Arnis as the national martial art and sport of the Philippines. Today, it's not only recognized as a training tool for the military and police, it has also been getting a push from Hollywood. Indeed, Filipino martial arts, or FMA, has become a global phenomenon. I think Arnis is also, more than anything, it looks aggressive, but it's not, because it's really more of an art form with respect for each other. As opponents.
That's the modern evolution of it, but
okay.
But the origin, in the early days,
yes,
it was a survival
defense mechanism siya.
It was a defense and a survival method.
Right.
So, you know, many occasions it was kill or be killed.
That's true. Pero not naman in modern day.
No, but because ano na tayo eh, di ba? We've gone past that.
Right.
So the modern evolution of it is, yun, meron na tayong ini-instill na discipline, and there are systems put in place na rin to keep everything in order, or you know, you have levels of learning.
Correct. So may system kahit papano. Yeah,
meron na.
Okay.
I mean, they'll teach you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and all that. So that in itself is a system. First, let us be aware that we have Arnis as something that gives us a cultural identity. A lot of us are in search of who we are. This is one thing. I think more than any of our, I dare say more than any of our indigenous arts, this is the most distinct and the most globally embraced. So we are recognized for this. So we should also recognize ourselves for that. The other thing is, it is our greatest cultural export. And hopefully that will make people look back into our culture and our history to see the value of something like this. The martial arts are not just a fighting art. They have a significant cultural relevance.